you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up the March Bella Skin Box. So I'm super excited to see what we have inside. So in today's video we are going to unbox Bella Skin Box, and then at the end of the video I am going to review some of the products from the month prior. So I am going to link Bella Skin Box down below. It costs $35 and has free shipping. I do have a promo code to save you guys $5 off your first box. It's not an affiliated code. So I love this box because, well, first of all, I love skincare. And then second, all their items are cruelty free, which is really important to me because I'm only introducing non-cruel items into my collection. And you get full-size items, you get a variety of different brands each month. And not only do you get skincare items, you also get a beauty tool each month as well. So it's super exciting. So we'll see what we got this month, but I will link last month's down below. So if you guys are in need of upgrading your skincare, this could be the box for you. I'm also going to link down below an active giveaway I have going on. It is a beauty giveaway that ends at the end of the month. So if you have not yet entered, definitely check that out after this video. But let's get started. So this is what the box looks like. Open it up. This is what I see. So there's a card right on top that says, Bella Skin Box, glowing skin is always in. So true. And on the back, it talks about all of the items, and on the bottom, it says that the total retail value is $131. And again, you pay $35 or $30 if it's your very first month. So we have 4 items. It lists a description of each of them along with their pricing. And there's another card here. This must go with one of the items we're getting. It says Tropical natural skin and hair. So I'm just assuming we're getting something from this brand in this box. Let's see, let's start with that one. Ooh, I'm excited. So in Bella Skin Box you can get stuff to help from your head to your toes. And it looks like we have something for our scalp, and I am super excited. So tropical, if I'm saying that right, do you guys see how that is spelled? Pretty sure that's how it's supposed to be. So tropical natural skin and hair care scalp treatment. This is 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters. And it says, hair growth starts at the scalp. Our scalp treatment is formulated with powerful oils like black seed oil and tamanu oil, known to help promote healthy hair growth, normalize the oil production of the scalp, and help with problematic scalp issues such as dandruff and dry, itchy scalp. Let our scalp treatment nourish and stimulate your scalp. Awesome. Organic, vegan, cruelty-free, preservative-free, fragrance-free. So directions, you shake well before each use, apply directly to the scalp and massage with fingertips, and you leave it on at least 10 to 15 minutes and then wash out with shampoo followed by conditioner. Isn't this packaging super cute? But I'm super excited. I literally just washed my hair today and I finished my Christoph Robin's scalp detox scrub. I have another one, I just got another box, but I'm excited to try something new, and this is different. This isn't a scrub, this is like dropper, and you leave it in for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm so intrigued by this. I'm really working on the health of my hair, and I feel like since I have it has grown like a lot. So yeah, I'm excited to get this. Let's see, where is this? So this is $37. And it looks like they talk about most of the things it says on the bottle, but it says it's also anti-inflammatory. So that's great if you have a sensitive scalp or dandruff or flaking. I am so excited to try this. It's known as green gold. Oh, that's what tamunu oil is. This treatment oil also contains tamunu oil. I hope I'm saying that right. I apologize if I butcher anything. Which is native to Polynesia and East Asia and is known as green gold. It's rich in nutrients like linoleic, oleic, palmitic, and stearic acids that nourish hair deeply and contribute to hair growth. It's also able to fight scalp fungal infections and soothe the scalp. Awesome. I'm going to start using this in just a few days. I wash my hair only a few days a week. I'm like kind of bummed, like, oh, I wish I waited till tomorrow to wash my hair, but yeah, since I'm doing reviews at the end of my videos now, look forward to a review next month of this product. I am super excited, and this costs more than the box itself, so awesome. Next up, oh, it looks like we have something by Dirty Lamb. We've tried a few things by them. I'll be talking about Dirty Lamb at the end of this video review. Packaged nice in bubble wrap. Let's get it out. Oh, I could totally use this too. The Dirty Lamb Tea Tree Wand Quick Blemish Relief. So I do get blemishes, especially hormonal ones, so I could totally use some help. And this is a large bottle. This is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. It says wand, so is there a wand in there? I don't know, but it says how it works. Natural acne fighting ingredients will soothe current zits and reduce acne causing bacteria. You will feel the magic as it tingles. So you're supposed to shake and gently roll the applicator over zits and zit prone areas. And you can use it up to 2-3 times daily. Oh, so it's a roll on. I was wondering how that works. Oh my God, this is awesome. I want to see if it has a scent. I'm just going to put a little bit. It has a light scent. It kind of smells like cinnamon. Oops, it's got in my nose, but that's okay because I get acne there. I'm super excited about this too. Oh my gosh, I've only opened 2 out of the 4 items, but this might be my favorite BellaSkinBox yet. So this is $42. Wow, natural blemish remover that works on all types of acne. A cinnamon-infused witch hazel and tea tree will soothe current acne and reduce acne-causing bacteria. I knew I smelled cinnamon. Clear jojoba oil mimics natural sebum, so it hydrates and balances oil production. You will feel the magic as it tingles and cools. Enjoy the pleasant scent of minty goodness with a hint of lavender. Shake and gently roll applicator over desired areas. I'm gonna start using this right away too. I've really liked Dirty Lamb so far. I think this is the 3rd item we've received by them, but this is the most exciting in my opinion. Yes. Now let's talk about the next item. This is a brand we also received last month. This is the Me Time Botanicals Glow Getter Radiant and Blemish Free Dual Phase Hydration Serum. And it is 1 ounce or 30 milliliters, and it's handcrafted in Charleston, South Carolina. And you can see there's like some separation there, so there must be an oil that you have to shake first. It says all-in-one lightweight serum and moisturizer for instant hydration and a radiant glow. Promotes hydrated, dewy, blemish-free skin. Brightens an even skin tone. Minimizes appearance of pores and fine lines. And then it says shake well to combine before each use. You can use it AM and PM to a cleanse and tone face. It says press 7 to 10 drops onto face, neck, and chest and follow up with a sunscreen in the morning and press clean slate into your skin at night. Awesome. I love that it helps hydrate and keep your skin blemish free. I'm really excited to try this. So, oh, there's like a button on top. How does this work? Okay, I was wondering, so it's a dropper. So there's a little button on top. Oops, I just kind of sprayed some down, but that's okay. Looks like there's a little bit of shimmer in it. You guys see that? So I am definitely interested in trying this. I will start using it right away. It doesn't have any added fragrance, you can tell. It's just like smells like skincare. I think it's got a little bit on my hands. So this is the Me Time Botanical Glow Getter Serum, $42. All-in-one serum and moisturizer to deliver instant hydration, dewy radiant skin, plus it fights blemishes, blurs pores, pumps fine lines, and helps to fade hyperpigmentation. This sounds like a miracle. Instant hydration and radiant glow, plant-based retinol alternative, perfect for increasing cellular turnover. It softens fine lines and wrinkles, fades hyperpigmentation and blurs pores, fights free radicals and blemished skin. It also stimulates cellular rejuvenation. Plump skin by delivering hydration and locking in moisture. Shake well and apply 7 to 10 drops into fingers and massage onto freshly cleansed and toned face both morning and night. I'm excited to start using this. Great. And then the last item we have in here is by Pure Soul. This is the Face Buff. This is a cognac facial sponge with bamboo charcoal. It says it's deep cleansing and pore purifying. I've used these types of sponges before. This is what it looks like. And there is like a little string there so you can hang this up. Let's learn more about it. It says this sponge is made from 100% natural cognac and combined with bamboo charcoal. The cognac fibers lift away dirt, makeup, and gently exfoliates. Activated carbon and essential minerals from the charcoal will purify pores and absorb excess sebum. Great for all skin types. Tip, use the flat size for larger areas of the skin like cheeks and forehead, and use the round side for harder to reach areas such as around the eyes and nose. We recommend replacing this every 1 to 3 months. Cool. So again, the total retail value is $131, and this box is $35 or $30 if you use my code. And I have to say, this is my favorite box yet. I'm really excited to use everything. I think I have all of this. Like the scalp treatment really excites me. The blemish relief, and also this like all-in-one. Like this seems like the best hydration serum. It also fights acne and stuff. So again, I'm going to test these out over the next month along with this sponge, and I will give you my feedback then. But just first impression unboxing it, I am thrilled and super excited to get to using these items, and yeah, definitely my favorite month. Let's talk about the February box. Again, I will link the February unboxing down below if you want to see like first impressions. So I have most of the items in front of me. There's like one I wasn't able to use yet. I have 2 Dirty Lamb products here. We only received one last month and one the night before, or the month before. So we can start with this one, I guess. So the Dirty Lamb Ultra Day Serum. It's non-greasy formula, smooth finish. I honestly haven't used it enough to give like a full-on review. Skincare can be a little tricky, but I can tell you how it works. I used it today, and I do think it really does hydrate my skin and doesn't leave it too oily, and it absorbs well. And I also used last night the Ultra Night Serum. And that's what I woke up with, like I felt my skin like looked really hydrated. So I think the combo of these two worked really well. That's why I'm like super excited to try their Blemish product too, because I do like this company. Just made with like natural oils and stuff like that. So yeah, for like not first impressions, like multiple impressions, I do like this. Definitely hydrating. I just love facial oils. I feel like oils can be intimidating, especially those with oily skin, but they can actually work to balance the oil in your skin, like so your natural oil production can decrease when you put oils in your face. I don't know. I just had a good experience so far with that. The one item I had the most questions about from last night's box is by Me Time Botanicals. It's their Berry Bright Polishing and Brightening Mask, or Brightening Enzyme Mask. I used this last night because I almost forgot to use it. I was rewatching the video last night to get prepped for today's video, and I was like, oh my god, I have not used that mask yet. And it's very dark. And one of you guys asked me, like, you were afraid that it would stain your face, and I could tell you, no, it does not stain your face. This is messy though. It's not like a deal breaker or anything like that, so you're supposed to dampen your face. So I washed my face last night, and then I kind of pat it dry like really quick because I didn't want it soaking wet, and then I put it on. And I'll insert a picture of myself. I took a picture. I actually FaceTimed my friend, and they said I looked like Carrie because someone was like dripping down my neck, like Carrie from that like scary movie when she was like covered in pink blood or something gross, you know? Like, I don't think I looked that extreme, but that's what my friend compared me to. So I think I took a picture of us on FaceTime too. But yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. But it definitely did not stain my face. It's a little messy, but usually when I do a mask, I just relax. Like, it wasn't like totally dripping off, but it was just a little bit dripping down my neck. They say actually to apply it to your neck. I didn't do that. So it's really not a big deal. My skin felt nice after. So yeah, besides being a little messy, it's fine. It makes a good picture, I guess, if you like sending those to your friends. So yeah, that's it for that one, I guess. Item I didn't use yet was what I was probably the most excited about, but I haven't needed it yet. So it's the Mineral Peel Body Natural Non-Abrasive Exfoliant. So you're supposed to spray this onto a dry area, let it absorb for 3 seconds, and use your fingertips or a washcloth to gently exfoliate. Let's try it right now. I just haven't had dry patches on my skin. I know it was a great time to send this like in February. I know a lot of people are in like cooler climates than I am. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit. Right. 1, 2, 3, and I'm just gonna kind of rub it, because you know, like on your elbow right here, you can have some dry skin. I can kind of feel a little bit coming off. Yeah, now I'm supposed to rinse with warm water, repeat if necessary, and then moisturize. So it's supposed to exfoliate like dry, dead skin cells on your body, and I can kind of feel a little bit. But again, I just don't have like really bad dry skin. I moisturize all the time, but I'm really grateful to like have this on me, like just for when I do have any dry patches, because it seems really cool. It's not abrasive. It's not like you're scrubbing with like anything rough. So yeah, if you guys got the box and you guys use this, please leave comments down below so we can hear your feedback. Since I have really dry skin over the past month, I can't give you guys as much information as I would like. So I'd love to hear what you guys have to say, and I'm sure others would as well. And then the last item we got was a tool. It was a gua sha, and for the life of me, I looked everywhere. I couldn't find the exact one we got in this box, so I'm wondering if I maybe put in a giveaway, not thinking, I don't know. But I found another one and I used it. I actually used it at night with the Dirty Lamb Night Serum that we received 2 boxes ago. And I like followed a diagram online. I wasn't really sure. You just kind of just, you know, I put the oil on my face and then I used it, and I think it's supposed to help absorption and lymphatic drainage and stuff like that. It feels nice, but honestly I don't know if it's like something you 100% like need, you know? that's how I am with like the facial rollers too, but I think maybe if you stick with it. So again, I ask you guys to leave a comment down below if you guys use gua sha, like have you guys found a lot of benefit, and if you do you have to use them every day? It's because I did like it. It felt nice, but I can't speak on long-term benefits of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that review. It's a lot harder to review skincare because it takes time to see results, but I can definitely continue letting you guys know in the future. I'm really excited to test out the products in this month's box, like more than I was the previous month, so I think I'll definitely have more experience with these products from March to let you know in April how I thought about them. I'm seriously so excited. Definitely my favorite BellaSkinBox ever. So thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. All the information will be down below. But I love you guys so much. I hope you're well and healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.